everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow along as we install a set of our LED headlights on this 76 Trans Am. First, you want to remove your old headlights. Remove the 3 screws that hold the trim ring to the headlight bucket. Remove the bezel. Behind the headlight there is a spring. You want to release the spring so you can pull the headlight out. Then just remove your old headlight carefully and unplug. Then you want to remove these screws on the bucket. This will make it so you can remove the trim ring and remove the headlight from the bucket. Now you can remove your old headlight from your bucket. Here is your fancy new headlight. Install your new headlight into the bucket. Put your trim ring back on and reinstall the screws. Once you get the screws on, you are ready to install your new LED headlights. Plug in the headlight to your existing connector. Carefully reinstall and line up the new headlight. Be sure to reattach that spring to the headlight. Now reinstall your bezel. And reinstall your screws. And voila! You have successfully installed your new LED headlights. And here they are in action. Unlike cheaper conversion headlights, these LED headlights use a real glass lens for crystal clear headlight output and long durability. This kit includes 2 United Pacific conversion headlights for high and low beams with LED bulbs. Wait until it's dark and use a wall or garage door to aim the headlights. Use adjusters on the top and the side to get headlights equal and then aim the LED bulbs. These headlights can be aimed by twisting the back of the bulb. Alright y'all, that is it for today. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below and let us know what you'd like to see in upcoming videos. Y'all have a great day.